Actual divided by the theoretical.
What?
Actual divided by the theoretical.
Whatever you get divided by what you should, like, it says you can get.
No, actual is what they give you, is what they say is gonna be used. Theoretical is whatever you find in the equation.
I feel like I've learned a lot, yet learned nothing
I'm
at the
just
same
getting
time.
jumbled. I'm glad I'm making that one day. It's gonna be a long day.
It's gonna be.
Alright, just for those people that are watching on video, so they know the answers, the answer to number 2, letter A was
286 grams.
286 grams, and the letter B was 88.4%.
Yeah.
And then number 23, letter, what is it, G,
70 grams for the significant digit.
70 grams. And letter H,
94%.
94%. Alright, 94%.
Okay. I was just.
Alright, so let's try this problem here.
What's that one?
I'm gonna write on the board, so you can keep the paper out so you can try this.
Can we just do it on the back of our paper?
Over.
What's that?
Can we do it on the back of our homework paper?
You can?
I should have read that problem correctly. Stupid.
I'm singing like 5 words,
I'm trying to be proactive in my life.
but it does really get aggressive. I can let it for you.
We should just sit up there and stop.
Oh, okay.
Don't have words. Do we need to write all the words with it, or we just go off what it says on the board? I'm gonna take that and just go off the word that says on the board.
I used to go on the one by like, Advanced Waldo.
Yeah.
Wait, you said do this on the homework paper? Or can we do it
You
in
can do it on any paper you want,
Okay, then I'm doing it.
but he said you can do it off the homework paper.
That's 97.
I'm just too lazy to go out and do
That's why I'm confused.
30 grams
Yeah,
of
they
bromine
They flipped roads.
are reacted with 27 points.
Go guys, write the problem down, please.
Wait, I just asked whether you wanted to write the words down, or just go off what it says on the board.
You need to have it in your notes so you know what you did.
Well, wait, are we writing down on the homework paper or on the notes?
Doesn't matter.
Just write it down, Connor.
My word.
I don't think he's collecting your homework.
Right here, phosphorus reacts with bromine to form phosphorus tribromide. 35 grams of bromine are reacted and 27.9 grams of phosphorus tribromide are formed. What is my percent yield? You need to write yourself an equation.
You need to write the equation on top.
Phosphorus, triple.
Yes.
I guess, I don't really know.
I think so.
So phosphorus.
Oh yeah, we first do reaction.
Phosphorus reacts with
This is just one of each.
So bromine. Reacted with what? Plus phosphorus.
Anybody have the equation yet?
Wait. Phosphorus reacts with bromine.
Wouldn't it be P plus 3Br? Arrow or yields or whatever, PBr3?
Yes, what?
PBr3?
How many agree?
Is it balanced? So the
I
oxide,
one agree,
I agree
I
with
think I
myself.
agree.
two agree, three agree,
Don't agree with you guys, Caleb says not to.
I don't think it's
I
right.
said never agree with.
Connor disagrees.
I am a neutral opinion here.
I gotta make sure bromide VR, is it?
What do the, what do you call them, the numbers match to? You know, I don't know what they're called, I forget.
Remember your diatomic molecules?
Ha-ha, I knew.
Hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, Chlorine.
So P has to have two,
and
and,
iodine are always diatomic, so there's always two when they're left by themselves. So now balance it correctly.
so put two in front of the P and two in front of the PBr3. I agree now, because my dad did it.
Okay, Connor.
Alright, is this a limiting reactant problem?
Yes. Right?
No,
Why not?
because it doesn't ask for how much will be left over afterwards.
It doesn't have to. Ask,
You have to find what the equation you use
Because
to
they
find the
just give
percent
you
yield.
one.
Yeah, one reactant.
I only gave you one reactant, so no, it's not a limiting reactant problem.
I was right, just for the wrong reason.
So what's our goal here first?
We have to change grams of bromine into moles.
To do that, by doing that, what's our goal? What are we trying to do? Find our theoretical yield,
Oh,
alright? And theoretical yield of phosphorus tribromide, so that's our goal. What am I given?
It's gonna be divided by 160. Sorry, you're not there yet. Then, right? Or is it because of the 3 in front of it will be more? No, it's just BR2, right? Yeah, BR2 is equal to 80, so 160, divided by 160.
What's bromide?
Always round to the 10th place, is that right?
Your answer is 160.
159.
Why would you 159 point? Because it's 79.9, you gotta run to the 10th place, which would be 80.
You gotta think, you gotta run, the tenth was right,
So what is it? What is it?
59.8.
59.8?
79.9.
79.8?
No, 79.9.
What is it?
Times
It's
two.
79.9.
Is it?
There's two of them. So do you round to 80 first and then multiply, or do you do it later?
You round to the 10th.
Okay, so then it's,
So it's
79.9 times 2, yeah.
What's the number after the 9?
A zero.
But it's
Alright, so we round it off to the 10th, not the whole number.
159.8.
That's what I said.
Please. And then it's mole to mole, so if you got two.
I am sure we'll do one, so.
The 3 moles of BR, the 2 moles of peanut butter.
you're satisfied.
Here's the jelly. What's the phosphorus?
Peanut butter and bromine sandwich,
Pretty much.
good.
Have you ever seen the movie Peanut Butter Falcon?
Not sure.
Yes,
I watched
we
it last
did,
night. It's
yeah.
actually really funny. The kid with Down syndrome, so the guy they like.
It's like the wrestling,
Yeah,
No.
saltwater redneck.
I remember
Oh,
that.
yes, that's right.
Yeah.
I think I like came up halfway through and I'm like, what are we watching right now?
Alright, how many grams in 1 mole of
I watched it.
phosphorus tribromide?
270.7. Yeah.
Alright, so what's my theoretical yield?
PBR3.
It is 53.26 repeating, so.
53.26. 0.7 grams.
Wait, so you don't round when you're, oh, there's three of them.
Does everybody agree with that?
Yeah, never mind.
Maybe 53.3.
I got 39.
What do you got?
I got 39.5.
Yeah, I got that too.
Oh.
What they-
39.
Yeah, I got 39.5 too.
It's always kinda different depending on where you get it. Like, the same numbers.
I got 39.5.
Well, 2 plus 2 and 2 minus 2 don't equal the same thing.
Now I get 39? It's all rigged.
So then we have to find the percent yield, so don't we have to divide,
The actual by the theoretical.
so 35 divided by
Smaller by
39.5, right?
No, 27.9.
Why would we divide by 27?
No.
'Cause that's how much
27.9
PBR3
is
you
the
have.
actual, and then we're dividing by the 39.5, which
Make
we
sure
got,
yours divided
which
by-
is the theoretical.
Smaller but bigger.
This here, 27.9 grams of phosphorus tribromide are formed. So that is the actual yield. We found the theoretical, this is what we should have gotten. But we only got 27.9.
It's 71%.
70.6.
Well, it's 70.6, so 71%.
70.632911139.
Again, always round off to the 10th.
Always,
Percentage.
every time, per percent.
Even when you did percent composition, what did I tell you to round off to?
The 10th, I guess.
Yes.
That was a while ago. It was like
Well, if you remember, because I'm getting a test this week.
3 days ago.
Come on, I gotta go.
Any other questions there?
I mean, that's what I would always round
What
to.
do you call that, percent accuracy?
Percent yield.
Percent yield.
This is a new question,
So
Caleb.
it's how much
Sorry.
of the theoretical yield that you got.
Actual divided by the theoretical, yes.
So essentially, it's kind of part divided by whole.
Basically, yes.
That is what we're saying.
Really, Connor?
Kind of don't-
I don't think she knew that, Connor.
I don't think you knew it either.
She doesn't pay attention in class.
Oh, no.
Oh no. Oh no.
You're adding more to it?
Tell me why. We only have 3 minutes.
Do we have to write the whole question over again?
No,
Yeah.
just plug in 47.2 instead of 35. What do you have? Come out. What is going on?
That's it. I don't know.
Wait a minute.
Alright, so write this down for your homework tonight. Phosphorus reacts with bromine to form phosphorus tribromide. It's 47.2 grams of bromine are reacted, and 72.3 grams of phosphorus are reacted, and 20.9 grams of phosphorus tribromide are formed. What is the percent yield?
Wait, it's 20.9 grams of what?
Phosphorus tribromide. So you got 47.2 grams of bromine, 72.3 grams of phosphorus that are reacting.
We read on the same paper.
Hey, what's that 20.9 for?
Is that the actual?
And 20.9 grams of phosphorus tribromide are formed.
Okay.
We can write on the
So
same
you
paper.
got 2 reactants that are reacting,
Limited.
giving us a product amount of this. So this is a limiting reactant problem. So you gotta find the limiting reactant before you find your theoretical and then you're gonna use your theoretical and this actual to combine your percent yield. Alright, now I made this up, so hopefully if I did it correctly, didn't mess up any, that your theoretical yield would still be larger than your actual yield.
You made this up, so hopefully you'll get it right.
A new equation,
What's that? No, the equation's still the same.
because how
So I
would,
just added this part here to here.
So let's just say if 47.2 grams of bromine, 72.3 grams of phosphorus are reacted.
Correct.
And 20.9 grams of phosphorus are bromine.
Correct,
I'm
yes,
sorry.
that is correct. So you got that one problem for your homework tonight.
Is that the lowest?